I'm serving fro realness. I'm obsessed. I just have to keep my fingers out of my hair. Hi loves, I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. I'm Alicia, but I go by Lee, and I am going to show you guys how to get my signature or epic fro that I have been constantly posting lately in photos like this, and this. I use all products from My Black is Beautiful, so shout out to My Black is Beautiful for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and get started on how I did this look. It is the end of the week / end of the night, and I need to go ahead and refresh my hair. So I'm going to start off by shampooing and conditioning my strands using the My Black is Beautiful Hydrating Shampoo and the My Black is Beautiful Fortifying Conditioner. Now, if I need a bit more of an intense treatment, I am going to bring in the My Black is Beautiful Intense Recovery Treatment. So this is going to essentially be a 3-step process that is not only going to get my hair cleansed, but it will be moisturized. My hair is damp, so I'm moving in with the My Black is Beautiful Hydrating Shampoo to go ahead and get this cleansing process started. I always focus shampoo solely on the scalp of my hair and kind of let it run through the strands as I work it in. This shampoo is definitely hydrating. It smells amazing. Now that my hair is cleansed, it is definitely time to condition. It repairs the hair. I'm just applying the conditioner and working it in, and I'm only going to let this conditioner sit for about 5 minutes, rinse it out, and then use the intense treatment. Now that conditioner has been rinsed out, it is time for the intense recovery treatment. You can definitely tell that my hair is light and fluffy because it's clean. And it's feeling pretty moisturized and lightweight. So I want to just add in that additional layer of moisture. All of the My Black is Beautiful products are paraben and sulfate free. So I'm going to do that and rinse it out so that I can show you my full styling process to get my Afro aesthetic. My intense recovery treatment is out, and I am going to move into detangler. Primarily because I am going to reverse blow dry my hair to prep for this particular style, and less is more, so I'm using the My Black is Beautiful Moisture Luxe Detangling Spray. I'm just going to do a light once over layer of this particular spray and then blow dry it. I'm going to grab sections of my hair and detangle it. I always start from the ends and then work my way up. And now we complete the blow drying process. Now that my hair is blown out, yes, it has grown. It is definitely beautiful. I'm absolutely loving it. We are going to move into my Bantu Knot process. And I typically do fairly large Bantu knots, so this process is fairly quick. And I'm using the My Black is Beautiful Tangle Slayer Conditioning Cream. And this particular one is for type 4 hair. This is going to be my one and only styling product. Now, if you are going to wear this out for a protective style for maybe like a day or so before you actually take it down to get that epic fro, then I would make the parts fairly straight. But if you know that you're just going to take it down in the morning, it doesn't matter. So using a rat tail comb, we are going to separate these sections. So I'm taking a bit of the conditioning cream and I'm going to apply it to that section, smooth it through with my brush, and then Bantu knot it up. For my Bantu knots, I do not use the 2-strand twisting method. I just use basically a coiling method, and I keep it slightly loose at the top so that it doesn't cause a whole lot of tension on my hair. And then I add a bobby pin just to hold it into place. So again, 2 pumps of the Tangle Slayer Conditioning Cream for type 4 hair. Work it in, brush it through to additionally work the product in, and just ensure that the hair is smooth. Then secure the end with a bobby pin. my Bantu knots are done, and the very last step before I call it a night is going to be edges. What is life without edges? I mean, so I have the My Black is Beautiful edge slayer that I will be taming my edges with. So I'm gonna just kind of take my time and mold my edges. Edges have been molded, so I will see you guys in the morning for the takedown. Well, good morning. It is the day after I've used my Black is Beautiful products to get my signature fro look. So we're gonna go ahead and take out these Bantu knots, and I'll show you exactly how I fluff and go through my process. The key to this look is actually frizz, but you will see my hair evolve from very defined to quite a lot of fluff. So we're just going to release each Bantu knot, gently remove any bobby pins if you use them. And of course, our edges are already done because we used the My Black is Beautiful edge slayer last night. All right, with each section that was Bantu knotted, I'm going to rotate it in the opposite direction that it was knotted and simply just begin to separate it where it naturally separates. My hair is very fluffy. It is extremely defined and it is soft, like pillow soft. My hair smells divine. I wish I could just come through the camera and let you smell it. Now that the sections have been separated, we're gonna use a pick. You could also use a detangling comb that has very wide teeth, and I always pick my hair in sections. It's a new technique that I find extremely effective and gentler on the hair. So I just start at the back and then take the pick at the root and lift. Grab another section and repeat. I use my hands to also fluff, so I'm just agitating the hair with my fingertips. All right, so here is the final fro. This is day one hair. Super soft, moisturized, light, fluffy, and I use all My Black is Beautiful products. So if you're interested in the My Black is Beautiful product line, then please check out your local Sally Beauty. I will leave all of the links to these products down below. And if you attempt to get my signature fro look, then please make sure that you tag me in your post over on Instagram along with My Black is Beautiful. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Check the links in the description bar, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.